So, since the last time we made a video or an update, we just had to get the block in, and I've got all the stuff on it now. All alike is I need some cool wires and some new spark plugs, and that's about all alike, and a PCM. Wiring harness is right over there. I need to put I've got the sensor on, which I have. I got some packages. Yesterday I've got 5 packages yesterday. Right here. Which you can probably tell what these are. Those are the headers. We'll pull those out in a minute. I think this is the starter from Rock Auto. Put that on the toolbox there. Maybe, I'm not sure. I think so. Yeah, that's the starter. Harmonic balancer bolt, and the tool to install it with. Then we have just some bolts here. I think those are starter bolts. I think the starter comes with bolts, so I'm not sure. Here we have. Fuck, I'm not sure what we have. Oh, we have all the fuel line and all the fittings for the fuel line, so that's good. I don't have a return line yet, but that'll be fine. I'm still waiting on a fuel pump, and I'm waiting on my pressure plate and a clutch plate and flywheel, or I put the transmission in today. I want to put the transmission in before I put the headers and all this other stuff on, but we may go ahead and put the headers and stuff on today. And what else? The starter, I'll put the starter on today and the harmonic balancer on, and might play with the wiring harness a little bit. I need a longer throttle cable for sure, which I thought the stock one would fit. Maybe they meant the stock 2000 model truck, or maybe a Vortex stock. I'm not sure. And this is broke. I need to figure out what I'm gonna do here with this, which I'm sure it's just like a vacuum or something. Maybe I can plug it in there. Or I don't know if that might come off. I'm not real familiar with the 5.3 or the LS series motors. I've dealt with a lot with the small block. This first LS series motor I've rebuilt and messed with at all, so it's all new for me. I also want to try to get the truck jacked up as high as I possibly can today. So probably gonna do that first. It's set too far over that way as well, but let me see if I can get a jack and get some jack stands. I have one there, I know. Get some jack stands under it and try to move it back away because it's super it's super tight on this side, super tight. And I need to do a little bit of cleaning up today. But I don't want to record that because it's boring. Well, I got it moved, and it's still crooked as fuck, but it'll work for now. I just need to get it jacked way up as high as I possibly can, which would be awesome because I hate being claustrophobic. And I might have enough room to walk in between the doors and close them. That's the only bad thing about this is the tiny workspace I have, but at least I have a roof over my head to do it and a concrete floor. So I got the front end up pretty fucking high, which is what I want, but it couldn't get no fucking sketchier. One, I don't have another jack stand. I thought I had 2. Okay? I do at the house, but we're not at the house, we're at the shop. And as I was jacking all this bullshit up, this tire decided to fucking try to roll down the ramp. which I put that on the back side of this one, and then, you know, reverse the other one so maybe it wouldn't, you know, couldn't fucking go nowhere. Well, obviously that didn't fucking work, so I need to find something to shove under this front tire right quick, and then I'll jack the ass end up again and slide that where it needs to be. And then other than that, we got it up pretty fucking high. I'm pretty fucking satisfied with this. Well, we got a tire under it, but man, it's sketchy as fuck. Check this out. I got a little two pieces of wood on there, and this little bitty, hold on, and that little bitty ass metal thing right there, man. I had to actually set the tire down like barely on that fucking rim too, because the pieces of wood wouldn't get it high enough. I was so afraid, man. It was just barely on the tire. I was so afraid it was just gonna roll off and fucking squish me between it and the toolbox. But we made it. Now if I can get this ass in right, see if we can put it right there on that fucking shock mount. She's a heavy old bitch. Probably wouldn't help with foiling and shit in the back too. Alright. Bammo. Alright. Now we gotta figure out what we're gonna do. I really want to put the headers on, but I need to put the starter on. I don't know which I should do first, starter or headers. Alright, we'll think about it. We have no room right here, but it'll be alright. I guess we can unbox these headers right quick, that'd be cool, huh? These are show and feel. About the only headers that'll work with this fucking swap, I suppose. Oh yeah, look, they're already beat from factory. Cool. Yeah. Yeah, that one didn't have this on it, huh? Yeah. We got in here, it's cool. Little fucking dirt track car, yeah. Catalog, racing catalog. Alright, cool. Bolts, gaskets. Ditching. Alright. That'll work. It'll look cute. That shit'll burn off though. Yep, nothing in this box, more trash. Alright. Here we are down here on the bottom. I got some fucking oil or something I never cleaned up right there. It's just gonna fucking bite me in the ass, but we have to put this there, and I've got all kinds of bullshit in the way, it looks like, so let's get to it, I suppose. Got all the starter wires, so do I need to put the starter wires inside of the header? Or outside of the header? Oh no. Oh no. Got big problem. What? Oh, this whole day just turned into a big pain in the ass. Look. The fucking motor mount bolt is not in the fucking hole. Jesus. Fuck. I have to let this whole fucking truck down to get the fucking lift in here. Oh. Fuck me, Sally. Maybe not. Maybe I can. I don't know. Well, I got this piece of shit in here. The fucking narrow hallway over there, whatever. And now the whore don't want to fucking jack up. I guess it's out of fucking hydraulic fluid. Luckily, I have some right there, but it's still a pain in the dick. Fucking put it in there, so. Little simple fucking header install has gone fucking bad, so. Let me get this bitch tilted up and filled up, and we'll see if we can get it fixed. Well, I couldn't get the motor lift, cherry picker, whatever you want to call it, to couldn't get it to bleed, or I don't know, it just didn't want to work. But I can't believe I didn't get those bolts all the way through the fucking motor mounts when I put that in a couple weeks ago. But I don't know, man, it's 45 degrees outside, it's raining. I couldn't get it to work. I gotta work the next 3 days, and I'm off one day. On that day off, I might go check it out, see if I can get it right, and get the headers and shit all in there, and hopefully my stuff for the trans will be in. We'll get it all right. But I guess I'm gonna go get some Mexican food and call it good.